What's up, guys? My name is Source Gaming 11. Welcome to a Let's Play of White Noise. Now, I know I said I'm gonna do FIFA 13 Real Madrid career mode, but I tried to upload two, but it wouldn't let me. So here we go with White Noise 2, White Noise Online. Alright, guys, here we are. White Noise Online. I love playing in the dark. I thought, didn't he? I shouldn't been this close. All right. This looks so fun. The fuck? I'm gonna report that soon. Fucking runs so slow. Got a recorder here? Hi, buddy. What the hell? I hear it. Sounds so fucking scary. Where the hell? Oh, there it is. Where do you pick it up? Oh, fuck. Why am I playing this in the night? God damn. Fucking scared and I'm fucking hot. Why am I in my fucking jacket anyways? It's a better question. The hell is that noise? La 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 la. Ah! Oh! Frick! Jesus! He was naked. I want to. Ah! Hey! How are you doing? How are you doing? Get the fuck away! Ah! Jesus! I don't want to hear that. It's behind me. No. Fuck. Please do not fucking get me. God damn it. Hey! Hey, I already know what you are. Don't fuck with me. The hell? I hear one. Oh, God. Don't be here, fucker. Whatever the fuck you are. Hey, another one. Yeah! Fuck you, bitch! Don't fuck with me. Ah! Ah! God damn it! Ah! Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God! Well, guys, that was me playing White Noise online. I will do more, but my heart's racing right now. I died. I didn't even know he was gonna get me. I was running for my fucking life. I don't know, man. More videos for you guys. Leave a like and comment. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. See you guys next time.